Hey, what's up, English learner? Welcome back. If you understand English but freeze when it is your turn to speak, this practice is for you. Today, we are going to work on one simple skill, shadowing. Here's the thing. You do not need perfect grammar before you speak. You do not need to know every word. And honestly, you do not need to sound like a movie star. You need to train your ears and your mouth to work together. For the next 15 minutes, I want you to speak with me. Yep, speak out loud. Do not just listen. Grab a little water, sit up straight, and let's go. Before we practice, remember this. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is progress. If you miss a word, keep going. If your pronunciation feels weird, no big deal. Try again. Shadowing means listening to a speaker and repeating at almost the same time. You become like a shadow. The speaker moves and your voice follows. This helps you practice pronunciation, rhythm, word stress, and natural speaking speed all at once. Step 1. Easy shadowing. We're starting slow. Listen to each sentence, then say it with me. Good morning. How are you doing today? I'm doing pretty well. I'm ready to practice English. I want to speak more confidently. I practice a little every day. I am not afraid of making mistakes. I can learn something new every day. My English does not have to be perfect. I just need to keep going. I'm getting better step by step. Nice. That was your warm-up. If you spoke out loud, you already started training your speaking muscles. Real-life example. Imagine you walk into a coffee shop in the United States. You look at the menu and say, "Hi, can I get a medium coffee, please?" Then the cashier asks, "Do you want anything to eat?" You answer, "Yeah, I'll take a sandwich too." Now shadow those lines. "Hi, can I get a medium coffee, please?" "Do you want anything to eat?" "Yeah, I'll take a sandwich too." Notice something important. Native speakers often connect words. Can I may sound like one smooth group. Want anything can also blend together. Don't try to memorize every pronunciation rule. Just listen and copy. Don't translate. Here's a big secret. Stop translating every sentence in your head. If someone says, "How's it going?" you do not need to translate every word before answering. You can learn the whole phrase as one useful chunk. Try these. How's it going? Pretty good. I'm doing okay. Not bad. Sounds good. See you around. Again, a little faster. How's it going? Pretty good. Sounds good. See you around. That's it. Short phrases can make real conversations much easier. Step 2. Daily conversation. Now we're going to turn up the speed. Imagine you are talking to a coworker. "Hey, what's up?" "Not much. How about you?" "I'm good. I've just been kind of busy lately." "Yeah, I know what you mean. I'm trying to get more sleep." "Same here. I really need a break." Now shadow the whole conversation. "Hey, what's up?" "Not much. How about you?" "I'm good. I've just been kind of busy lately." "Yeah, I know what you mean. I'm trying to get more sleep." "Same here. I really need a break." "Great job. If you fell behind, no worries. Jump back in and continue." Natural English. Now listen for words you may hear in everyday American English. Gonna means going to. Wanna means want to. Gotta means got to or have to. Kinda means kind of. Lemme is a casual way to say let me. You might hear, "I'm gonna call you later." "Do you want to come with us?" "I gotta get to work. It's kind of cold today." "Let me check." These forms are common in casual speech. When you shadow, focus on the sound and flow instead of worrying about every rule. Your mouth needs practice. Here's something people often miss. You can know a lot of English and still struggle to speak. Why? Because knowing English and producing English are two different skills. Think about riding a bike. You can watch someone ride all day, but your own body still needs practice. Your mouth needs practice too. Your tongue needs to move. Your lips need to shape sounds. Your breathing needs to match your speech. So don't stay silent. Speak, even if you are alone. Step 3. Work and daily life. Let's practice useful sentences you can actually use. I'll be there in a few minutes. Can you give me a second? Could you say that again? I didn't catch that. What do you mean? Let me think about it. I'm not sure yet. That makes sense. I totally agree. I see what you mean. I'll get back to you. Now say them again, but with a relaxed voice. I'll be there in a few minutes. Can you give me a second? Could you say that again? I didn't catch that. Let me think about it. Awesome. These are small sentences, but they can carry you through real conversations. Mini conversation. At work. Picture this. Your coworker says, "Hey, are you free for a minute?" You say, "Sure, what's up?" "I wanted to ask you about the project." "Yeah, for sure. What do you need?" "Can you send me the updated file?" "Absolutely. I'll send it over this afternoon." Now shadow it from the beginning. "Hey, are you free for a minute?" "Sure, what's up?" "I wanted to ask you about the project." "Yeah, for sure. What do you need?" "Can you send me the updated file?" "Absolutely. I'll send it over this afternoon." Don't stop for mistakes. Listen carefully. When you make a mistake during shadowing, do not stop every 5 seconds. That habit can make speaking feel scary. Instead, keep moving. Missed a word? Keep going. Said the wrong sound? Keep going. Lost the sentence? Jump back in. No way you need to be perfect on your first try. Your first job is flow. Your second job is accuracy. Your third job is speed. With practice, those 3 things start working together. Speak with emotion. English is not only about words. Your voice also carries meaning. Try saying, "Really?" Now sound surprised. "Really?" Now sound doubtful. "Really?" Now sound excited. Same word, different feeling. Try, "That's great." "I can't believe it." "That sounds awesome." "Oh, that's too bad." "Are you serious?" When you shadow, copy the emotion too. If the speaker sounds excited, sound excited. If the sentence is calm, stay calm. This makes your English sound more natural. Real-life weekend chat. Let's do one more conversation. "Hey, what are you doing this weekend?" "I'm not sure yet. I might just stay home." "Want to grab some coffee?" "Yeah, sure, that sounds good." "What time works for you?" "Maybe around 2?" "Bet. I'll text you later." Now shadow the whole thing. "Hey, what are you doing this weekend?" "I'm not sure yet. I might just stay home." "Want to grab some coffee?" "Yeah, sure, that sounds good." "What time works for you?" "Maybe around 2?" "Bet. I'll text you later." Pattern break. The 15-minute habit. Here's your simple daily plan. Spend 5 minutes on easy sentences. Spend 5 minutes on normal conversation. Then spend 5 minutes on faster, natural speech. That's only 15 minutes. You do not need to study for 3 hours. You do not need a fancy classroom. You can practice in your room, in your car, or during a quiet part of your day. The key is consistency. 15 minutes today is better than 0 minutes while waiting for the perfect time. Final challenge. Now I want you to shadow this short speech without stopping. "Hey, what's up? I'm working on my English every day, and honestly, I'm getting more confident. I still make mistakes, but that's okay. I'm going to keep practicing because I know I can improve. Sometimes English feels hard, but I'm not going to quit. I'll keep listening, speaking, and trying. Little by little, I'm going to sound more natural. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to keep moving forward." Again, a little faster. "Hey, what's up? I'm working on my English every day, and honestly, I'm getting more confident. I still make mistakes, but that's okay. I'm going to keep practicing because I know I can improve. Sometimes English feels hard, but I'm not going to quit. I'll keep listening, speaking, and trying. Little by little, I'm going to sound more natural. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to keep moving forward." Your confidence reset. If you completed this practice, give yourself credit. You spoke English today. Maybe you missed some words. Maybe your accent felt strong. Maybe you had to restart. That is completely fine. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. The goal is not to wake up tomorrow speaking perfect English. The goal is to become a little stronger every day. One sentence, one conversation, one practice session. That is how confidence grows. Quick pronunciation drill. Let's slow it down for a second. You're going to repeat these short phrases 3 times. I want to. I want to go. I want to go home. Now make it smoother. I want to. I want to go. I want to go home. Great. Now try another one. I am going to. I'm going to call you. I'm going to call you. I'm going to call you later. Again. I'm going to call you later. You are not trying to sound fake. You are learning the relaxed rhythm you may hear in everyday conversations. Pattern break. Use chunks. Here's a simple trick that can save you a ton of stress. Learn English in chunks, not one word at a time. Instead of learning only idea, learn I have an idea. Instead of only help, learn can you help me? Instead of only busy, learn I've been really busy. Instead of only sure, learn yeah, for sure. When you learn a whole phrase, your brain has a ready-made tool. You do not have to build the sentence from zero every time. Let's practice. I have an idea. Can you help me? I've been really busy. Yeah, for sure. Sounds good to me. Give me a second. Let me check. I'll let you know. Say them again with confidence. Mini role play at a store. Now imagine you are shopping for something in the United States. A worker asks, "Can I help you find something?" You say, "Yeah, I'm looking for a phone charger." They ask, "What kind do you need?" You answer, "I'm not totally sure. Do you have one that works with my phone?" They say, "Sure. Let me show you a few options." You reply, "Thanks. I really appreciate it." Now shadow the entire exchange. "Can I help you find something?" "Yeah, I'm looking for a phone charger." "What kind do you need?" "I'm not totally sure. Do you have one that works with my phone?" "Sure, let me show you a few options." "Thanks. I really appreciate it." Notice how useful these sentences are. You can change just one word and use them in many situations. Speed challenge. Okay, now we're going to push a little harder. First, speak slowly. I need to leave in a few minutes. Now natural. I need to leave in a few minutes. Now I'm going to leave in a few minutes. Again. I'm going to leave in a few minutes. Next. Do you want to go with me? Natural. Do you want to go with me? Again. Do you want to go with me? Last one. I have to get back to work. Natural. I got to get back to work. Again. I got to get back to work. Nice. This is how you train your mouth to move from careful English toward relaxed English. Confidence drill. Now I want you to imagine a real conversation with an American friend. Your friend says, "Hey, how's your English practice going?" You answer, "It's going pretty well. I'm practicing every day." Your friend asks, "Do you still get nervous when you speak?" You say, "Sometimes, but I'm getting better." They ask, "What helps you the most?" You answer, "Speaking out loud helps me a lot." They say, "That's awesome. Keep it up." You reply, "Thanks. I'm going to keep going." Shadow the whole conversation now. "Hey, how's your English practice going?" "It's going pretty well. I'm practicing every day." "Do you still get nervous when you speak?" "Sometimes, but I'm getting better." What helps you the most? "Speaking out loud helps me a lot." "That's awesome. Keep it up." "Thanks. I'm going to keep going." Pattern break. Your accent is not your enemy. One more thing, and this is important. Do not hate your accent. Your accent is part of your story. Your goal is not to erase who you are. Your goal is to make your English clear, comfortable, and easy for other people to understand. You can have a Bangladeshi accent and still speak excellent English. So don't think, "I need to sound exactly like an American." Think, "I want people to understand me easily, and I want to feel relaxed when I speak." That is a much better goal. Now take a breath. Relax your shoulders. Open your mouth. And speak with confidence. Rapid, everyday phrases. Let's finish with a powerful set of phrases. Speak each one clearly. What's going on? What's up? How have you been? I've been pretty good. What do you think? I think that's a great idea. Are you free later? Yeah, I should be free. Can you give me a minute? Sure, no problem. I'll be right back. Take your time. That's totally fine. No worries. Sounds good. See you later. Take care. Now repeat the last 5 without stopping. No worries. Sounds good. See you later. Take care. You got it. Excellent. Final 50-second shadowing. Last challenge. Speak with me from the start. I can speak English. I can make mistakes and keep going. I can ask questions. I can have conversations. I can learn new words. I can practice every day. I'm going to speak with more confidence. I'm going to stop being afraid of mistakes. I'm going to keep moving forward. My English is improving, and I'm just getting started. Let's go. Outro. Nice work, boss. You made it. Remember, don't just watch this video. Use it. Come back tomorrow and repeat the same routine. Your mouth gets stronger through repetition. If this practice helped you, subscribe for more simple English speaking lessons. Hit like and tell me in the comments, I'm ready to speak English. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. You got this, for sure.